English-Afrikaans. Where is? Learn.
Waar is?
Welcome. Hey there. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your smart path to languages. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for bonus practice and printables. Today we'll lock in the travel superpower, asking for places with English and Afrikaans. Get ready to point, smile, and say it clearly. People will love helping you. Your core phrase. Let's master the compass phrase first. Say it with rhythm and confidence. Where is, in Afrikaans is.
Waar is?
Try a beat. Clap, clap.
Waar is?
Stomp, stomp. Point left, right. Think of it as your verbal compass. Ask, smile, and watch doors and directions open. Mini dialogues you can steal. Listen, repeat, and imagine you're on a trip. Excuse me.
Waar is die badkamer?
Local. Around the corner, straight, then left. Thanks. Hi.
Waar is die treinstasie?
Guard. 2 blocks, then.
Rechts.
Right. Hello.
Waar is die hotel?
Receptionist. It's
Naby.
near, 1 minute.
Links.
Left. Sorry.
Waar is die restaurant?
Local. Quite.
Ver.
Far, take a taxi. Could you show me on the
Kaart.
map? Local. Sure, here, then.
Rechts.
Then.
Links.
Please.
Help.
I'm lost. Local. No worries, start with.
Waar is?
And we'll sort it out. Quick vocab tour. Here are your anchors, repeat after me. Bathroom.
Die badkamer.
Train station.
Die treinstasie.
Hotel.
Die hotel.
Restaurant.
Die restaurant.
Left.
Links.
Right.
Rechts.
Near.
Naby.
Far.
Ver.
Map.
Kaart.
Help.
Help.
Speed quiz. You've got this. Answer out loud. Translate. Where is the bathroom?
Waar is die badkamer?
Translate. Where is the train station?
Waar is die treinstasie?
Say, near.
Naby.
Far.
Ver.
Ask for the hotel using the phrase.
Waar is die hotel?
Point on a map. On the map, the word is.
Kaart.
Emergency mode. Help. Say.
Help.
Lightning round. Say the core phrase fast.
Waar is?
Culture tip and a smile. Stay friendly, and locals will guide you like pros. In South Africa, a warm greeting and a clear.
Waar is?
Go a long way, try it for.
Die restaurant.
Or even the beach. Your GPS might joke, but your best tool is your voice. If it answers you with your own line.
Waar is?
Just laugh and ask a human. Challenge and goodbye. Final challenge, let's make it stick. Your mission. Ask 3 people today using.
Waar is?
Try.
Die hotel. Die treinstasie.
And.
Die restaurant.
Point on a.
Kaart.
Listen for.
Links.
And.
Rechts.
And notice if the place is.
Naby.
Or.
Ver.
Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing, stay curious, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more English-Afrikaans goodness. Tot volgende keer.